Viewers, as you know, after the launch of the TikTok Creative Program, many creators became active and made their accounts on TikTok and earned a lot of money through interesting videos. These content creators opted for various themes to boost the popularity of their TikTok accounts. Among them, the storytelling theme gained significant traction, accumulating numerous views and translating into substantial earnings. This distinctive approach can be applied across various social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels to gain widespread attention. However, TikTok holds a prominent position for achieving rapid virality from this topic. Suspenseful and scary narratives consistently capture people's attention, and creators have garnered significant fame and earned substantial income by presenting such stories in captivating videos. Reddit is a social media platform and online community where registered members can submit content, such as text posts, links, images, and videos. Creepypasta is a term used to describe short horror stories or urban legends that are shared and spread widely across the internet. Reddit hosts various subreddits dedicated to creepy and unsettling stories, often categorized as horror fiction or creepypasta. Users can share their original creepy stories, discuss existing ones, or seek recommendations for new content within these subreddits. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to earn money by creating videos like Reddit story videos by using AI-free software. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can make passive money by making an awesome video using the Reddit story formula. Okay, guys, here's my new formula comes in. That has got the viewer's attraction with a unique style. I'll guide you through a straightforward and efficient process that will enable you to garner millions of views on your specific account with minimal effort. Let's move forward to the topic. Many creators are making short story videos using Reddit video tricks, and you can get millions of views by using this unique trick. After some research, I got the point that many creators are publishing stories on Reddit from advance..Com, and we can apply this trick but in a unique way in our story videos. First, you need one best story from creepypasta.com copy, the heading of the story topic, go to ChatGPT, paste it in the search box, and give instructions to ChatGPT to write a unique story on this topic. In some seconds, it will generate a unique story. You need the best voiceover for your video described in a touching voice. You can use an AI text-to-speech tool for your story voice. And for this task, you can use 11 Lab for voiceover. It's free for all users with 10,000 limit words for voiceover every month. Visit 11 Lab. Paste your story content in the text segment and select the best voice for your storytelling ineffective style. In just a few minutes, it will generate the best voiceover for your story. Save this in your folder. Then you need the story background video, and for this, you have to go to YouTube non-copyright Minecraft video. Select some videos of your choice and download them to your folder. To download these videos, visit YouTube MP4. Download and paste the video link here, and save these videos in your folder. Now you need one video editing software, and I prefer CapCut software for video editing because it has many features for outstanding video editing. Now go to the Creepypasta website, copy the title of the story, and paste it on the first clip of the image for the story startup. Make it more captivating by using some text editing features. Next, you again click the text option and press Auto Captions, which will generate captions of your story. Make your captions attractive with fonts, colors, and animation from the text option like me. If you want to add some music to make your video more attractive, then you can use non-copyright music from any website like Pixabay. Now your story is ready to publish on your specific social media account. Stay here. Let's watch it.
I met my doppelganger and he stole my life. But this was only the beginning of my nightmare. It all started when I stumbled upon him in a crowded coffee shop. At first glance, it was like looking into a mirror. The same face, the same features. We exchanged startled looks, and that's when my life took a dark turn. He introduced himself as Alex and claimed he was from a parallel universe. It sounded absurd, but as he began recounting details of my life with eerie accuracy.
Hope you have liked this informative video with a little fun. I will come again with a new informative topic for your money-making journey. Until next time, take care.